Hey guys, I'm Ayush.
And I'm Marv.
And we're the Tasty Twins.
So today we are going to be celebrating Diwali by making Kheer, which is an Indian rice pudding.
Happy Diwali!
Let's get to it. Alright, so what is Diwali? I'm going to tell you using this awesome green screen. And yeah, basically Diwali is the festival of lights, and it's the new year for Indian people. And so we celebrate it every year, and so we light these diyas and put them all around the house. And yeah, happy Diwali!
Alright, our first step is to get out a large saucepan, and we are going to get 2% milk, and we're going to put 4 cups of this into the saucepan.
Okay, so we put our saucepan on medium heat, and once it boils, we're going to turn it to low heat and start mixing it.
Okay, so while the milk is warming up, we are going to get a half cup of white rice and put it into this bowl and then soak it with warm water. Okay, so it's starting to boil. That's perfect. Now we can just lower this heat a little bit lower and just give it a quick mix. And there's probably going to be like a layer of fat on top and like a skin, so you can just like, get your spatula and just like kind of like scoop that off. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes of soaking our rice in some warm water, and we've already let the milk boil and it's on low heat right now. So we are going to strain this quickly and then add it into that. Okay, so we're going to strain this. Just get a strainer and just pour this in. So that's fine if it's still there. We're going to put this back in anyways. Just mix that around. And pour that back in.
Alright, so now we're going to add our soaked rice into the saucepan with the milk, and then we're going to give it a mix. Alright, now we are going to cover the saucepan and wait until the rice breaks apart and gets soft. Every few minutes you can give it a stir so that you just make sure that nothing clumps up. Alright, so I got these oven mitts because it's kind of hot on the outside, and you can get a whisk so that you can make sure that there are no clumps at all. And so if you know, once you know it's done, if you take your whisk and put it in a little bit, you can see that it's in the whisk, it's getting stuck. That means it's fluffed up and it's been cooked. So yeah, now we can get into the next step.
Alright, so we are going to be adding in a half cup of sugar. Okay, so add this in. And now we're just going to mix this constantly. Make sure that the sugar completely dissolves. Okay, so we're going to cover this again and turn on the heat again and cook it for low heat for about 2 minutes.
Alright, this looks amazing, but we're not done yet. We still have one more step left, so we can add in cardamom and saffron. We're going to add cardamom, we're not going to add saffron because it's a little expensive, so that's optional. So basically, we are going to get a plate and a spoon, and then we're going to get the couple cardamom pods, put them out, and we're going to crunch them up and then add it in. Alright, you can also use a mortar and pestle. It's like a thing that you mash things, mash spices, and yeah, but also before you start crushing the cardamom pods, you have to actually open them up and then you can start crushing them. The cardamom pretty much just adds a cool flavor twist to your kheer, but you don't have to add a lot because it's really strong. Yeah, it's optional, you don't have to add too much.
Okay, so the kheer is really thick, and now we're going to add in cardamom. So yeah, if it's too spicy for you, you can just add a little bit, but we are going to add all of it and just mix it up. Okay, so this serves about 3 people, and now we are going to try this. So spoon, let's get a start here. Oh wow, this is nice. It's good texture. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, it's so good. You can definitely taste the cardamom effect. It's really nice. It's not strong at all actually. It's not too sweet. Yeah, it's perfect sweetness. And yeah, the rice is soft, slick, it's perfect. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing as it'll really help us out. And yeah, we hope you make this. It's so good.
And really simple.
And happy Diwali.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye.